I am going today to bake a cookie for the one that are in love, the one that I've loved. Today, we're gonna bake some Zodiac cookie, and I have a special guest, which is my dear friend and astrology teacher, Patrice. Hi, Happy New Year!
Hi, welcome back to the delightful Mrs. Azria. We have the icon that is Florence, and I'm her guest, Alexia, who is also
my daughter.
An icon, I was gonna say.
True.
And today we're making gingerbread trees.
We want to introduce you to a recipe called polvorones.
Los polvorones originally were from Spain. Then they were brought to Mexico. They serve it at Mexican weddings and also for Christmas.
Today we are going to bake a very fun recipe, the stunning golden sablé. Let's make it happen. So to make this cookie, there is 2 steps. The first one is on the dough. So butter, sugar, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, and flour. So we're gonna pour the butter in here.
I'm gonna switch sides.
Okay.
It's my better side.
Okay, fine. So let's do the butter. Whoops.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, shit, what's happening? Ahora seguimos. Ahora le vamos a poner la sal, la canela, todo junto. Add my flour, gently by hand. I'm gonna add it. Okay, so here, put it there. So I'm gonna roll out the dough. My beautiful angel is, I'm very proud of her. She, no, stop it. No, no.
And chocolate is Venus.
Oh.
Venus is sweet.
Is love.
And love, and yes, and many of us got chocolates. It's a form of love.
Now we're gonna chip the cookie. Look, you overstepped the one you did. Oh my God, Alexia.
Bad eyesight.
I think we're totally good. So now we're gonna bake them. We're gonna have them in the oven and we're gonna bake them and then we're gonna start decorating. Why?
I don't know. Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
It's flour. Why?
So it doesn't stick to the...
That's why there is a parchment paper so it doesn't stick to anything. Voila, they're done. Now I'm gonna bake them for 15 minutes at 300 degrees in a convection oven. Let's make it. Son preciosísimos, fabuloso, deliciosos, increíble. We're gonna dip them in powdered sugar. So I have set up 2 little cards with our sign. Yay. So we can, we're gonna pipe. This is white chocolate that I put in the piping bag. We're gonna pipe. Your sign is more complicated than mine. So good luck. You're on your own.
Do my zodiac symbol.
Yes, you're doing your zodiac symbol.
Well, this is the constellation.
Right. So I have made royal icing with meringue powder, and I'm gonna do a little bit of decoration here. So it's supposed to be like a little lace. And my little angel. See, my little cherub is here. Look how cute it is.
Are we gonna eat this?
Oh, well, with a fork and a knife, like any civilized person.
Or these cookies with a fork and a knife?
Why not?
Would you trust me making this on my own for
Yes.
our Christmas together?
Next Christmas, probably. Quel délice. Heaven on earth.
Hasta luego. Adiós.
¿Los probamos?
Claro. Qué delicia.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it's my
for,
pleasure. It was so fun.
Revealing the future to us. And
The future's in your hands, though.
True.
With some help from the universe.
True. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, we're dropping a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. Delightful Mrs. Azria. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.